Quick video on this battery teardown. Got two of these. 4 amp hour high performance. What does that mean? Well, in 4 amp hour, it apparently means you're getting 18650 cells that are orange. In the higher capacities, they're putting in 2170 cells, but in the 4 amp hour, that's what you get. Fortunately, it is easy to take apart. 6 screws, and here we are. But it's no more repairable than any other battery. If any of you who have ever tried will know that replacing a cell in that pack is not easy. Even if you buy yourself a spot welder, and it's not easy to repair. But that's what's in there, and we're hoping it's a good battery. Looks like it is. I mean, should be fine. But it's an 18650 in these 4 amp hour high performance. The higher capacity ones, the 8s and the 12s and stuff, are using 2170s. Hopefully everyone will move on to pouch cells soon, and we'll get some real shit. But that's what we got right now, and the side coming off the battery case is really nice. It's pretty easy to get apart, but still the battery pack is not easy to repair. So we're hoping this lasts. Thank you.